Good morning, everyone. So today is Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty Day 5. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys what you can pick up. So the Buxom full-on lip creams are 50% off, so you can get them for $10 each. So the regular price on these guys are $20. And then there's an online only deal. It's the Ico eyeliners. These guys are 50% off as well. So you can get this for $11. Regular price is $22. And then also the Clarisonic Mia 2 skin clearing system. This guy is $119. So you're gonna get $50 off. So this is a really nice sale for the Clarisonic Mia 2. So I think you can't really get this kind of discount until Black Friday. So I think $50 off of a Clarisonic is an awesome, awesome deal, you guys. And then something that I didn't mention, they have through the 24th, so Saturday, all of Ulta's eye makeup is 50% off, and then all of Ulta's big bottles of their body gel, like shower gel, it's like a 3-in-1. So it's shampoo, body wash, and bubble bath. So they're regularly $16, but you can get it for $8, and these smell so freaking good. And the kids love these bubble baths in the bath, and it's nice that it is a bubble bath, body wash, and a shampoo all in one, and they smell freaking amazing. And then also 50% off is the Ulta brand hand soaps. So these deals are through the 24th, so which is, I believe, Saturday. Yes, through Saturday. But you cannot use Ulta store coupons on the deals for the 18th through the 24th because they're going to exclude that from the coupons because it's already discounted. However, if you have Ulta Beauty Rewards points, you absolutely can pay with your points. So if you've been collecting your points, you can use points on any of these beauty steals. So as always, I will have a link below so you guys can sign up for the Ulta Rewards membership. I'm not sponsored by Ulta. I don't get any cut from Ulta. I just want to share with you guys how you can maximize your savings when it comes to, I just want to share with you guys ways to maximize your savings over at Ulta. And I've been waiting for the right time to share with you guys about my experience over at the salon. So Brittany Tolberg helped me through my hair crisis at Ulta. So a few months ago, I'm just gonna have a little side tangent. So a few months ago at Ulta, sorry, I'm positioning you guys. So I went and got my hair cut and colored over at Ulta probably about maybe 2 months ago, a month and a half ago, something like that. So I had a very specific look I was going for with my haircut as well as my hair color. And while I was in the chair, I was like, something just doesn't feel right. So I even had asked my stylist in the process, I'm like, are you sure this is going to be balayage? Are you sure? Because that's what I was going for. And at the end of it, he curled my hair, so I really didn't notice like the cut at all. So the color was more of like an orangey reddish color. It was not balayage by any means. I had highlights up to my roots. And then the next morning when I washed my hair and brushed it out, I will show you guys a picture of how uneven my haircut was. And I was freaking out at that point. I was like, wait a minute, my hair is not supposed to look like this. So, Ulta was fantastic. I called and let them know everything and mentioned to them my hair is very orange and my hair is ridiculously uneven. So they did refund me my total salon purchase. So they were not stingy on that whatsoever. So that was great. But I was texting Brittany Tolberg back and forth, showing her pictures and telling her, Brittany, what did they do to my hair? So she was my hair therapist during that time. So I went ahead and went to a different salon that's by my house, and I ended up only paying maybe about $50, $75 more for the service that I got at the salon, but the quality of going to a better salon was completely different than Ulta. I've had a few mishaps at Ulta, but my mindset was always my mindset was always, well, if I can earn points while I'm getting my services, then it's worth it. But honestly, it wasn't, because it took more time to go and get my hair fixed again. And it really wasn't worth the $18 I earned in points. So I no longer on my channel can recommend Ulta for salon services for hair. But however, they do have like skincare services. So you can do like facials, also the Benefit Brow Bar, highly recommend them. So I will always be going to Ulta's Benefit Brow Bar for eyebrow waxing, but I no longer can recommend the hair salon anymore, because I know that my experience was only a one-time thing, but I've had an experience with Ulta before with haircuts. So this has been strike 2 for me with the Ulta hair services. So I'm just not willing to go for strike 3, because my hair turned out a lot shorter in the end than I wanted it to be. But everything is all good. And if you ever need any hair advice, I'm leaving Brittany Tolberg's Instagram and her YouTube channel below. Go and chat with her, because she is amazing. So anytime I'm itching to get my hair done, I'm always sending her pictures. I'm always talking to her about what the best look for my hair is going to be. So she is my like hair therapist. That's what I'm going to call her. So next time I visit Northern Virginia, I'm definitely going to make a trip up to Baltimore so she can do my hair. That would be so fun. Brittany, wouldn't that be so fun if I came up to Baltimore, because Baltimore is north of Virginia, but wouldn't it be so fun if I traveled up north and sat in your chair and you could beautify me? So that is everything I'm going to share with you guys today with Ulta Beauty. I've been waiting for the right time to share my experience with Ulta. So I'm just going to go ahead and share with you guys that photo of what my haircut actually looked like. And you guys will be able to see that it is a very noticeable uneven haircut. So. Okay, you guys, so this was the after photo of that awful haircut. So as you can see how uneven it is really, really uneven. So it's choppy right here. There's an angle going right here, but it was just ridiculously uneven. So that is my after photo of that horrible, horrible haircut experience that I had. So this was the color that I had originally, and as you guys can see, it is very orange, and you can tell that from the color of the wall. And my original color I was going for was darkened root with blonde balayage. That's what I was going for, and that is not what I got. So you guys have seen what the haircut looked like and what the hair color looked like. And you know, the lighting in the salon, I really didn't notice, and it was curled, so I really didn't notice the unevenness as much. But even when I went to the new stylist at the new salon I went to, she had asked me, she's like, oh wow, you're a natural redhead. And I'm like, no, I'm not. This is just the color that came out. So now finally I will show you guys the after photo. So this is the after of everything being fixed. So as you can see, I got my darkened root, I got my lighter ends, and my cut was fixed just perfectly. So that is my befores and then my afters. So it did take a while. I was literally at the salon for about a good 3.5 hours. So if you are in the Ladera Ranch, Mission Viejo, Laguna Niguel area in California, I would highly recommend Salon Plum, because that's where I went to get all of this taken care of. So if you are on the fence of if you want to go to Ulta or if you want to go to a nicer salon, I would highly, highly recommend you save yourself some time and potentially save yourself some money and just go to a nicer salon if you are able to work that out. I know not everyone, you know, is able to go out and go to salons like that, but you know, a way to get, you know, salon money is to use your Ibotta app. So save up your Ibotta credits, save up your Saving Star credits, and cash out maybe 4 times a year, and then go treat yourself and get your hair done. So I only get my hair done about 4 times a year. So that's usually what I do. So usually it's just 4 times a year, because A, I don't like sitting in the chair for very long, and B, I don't want to be taking our family money to get my hair done so often throughout the year. So I've worked in 4 times a year, and that's pretty much good for me, because on most days, I don't even do my hair. Most days I just, you know, this is the mom do for me. So I really don't spend a whole lot of money when it comes to getting my hair taken care of at salons, because most of the time I'm indoors in my house and I'm not really going anywhere. So I might have changed my routine a little bit if I was going out to work every day and to an office and all of that stuff. But this was my experience over at Ulta Salon, and I really just wanted to get this out to you guys because I have recommended Ulta's salon services for hair so often. So now that I've had this particular experience, I feel like I can no longer vouch for them when it comes to hair services. However, they did treat me very well in terms of my refund and all of that stuff, because, you know, refunds like that are not always guaranteed. Some salons will only allow you to go back and get your hair fixed. That was also something that one of the store managers at Ulta was telling me. They're like, well, we can get you set up with the same stylist and he can fix your hair. And I'm like, wait a minute. I don't want to sit with the same person, because look at the outcome that happened the first time around. So, and that would have made me feel incredibly awkward to have to go back and say, hey, I didn't like your work, so you need to fix it. So that would have made me feel so awkward. But they were really nice about it, and I have to give them 5 stars for their customer service all around. So that was my experience with Ulta. So I will no longer be recommending their hair services, but I will recommend their store in terms of products and the promos that they run and their rewards program, because I think their rewards program is fantastic. It blows Sephora's rewards program out of the water for sure. If you also, if you have a credit card with them, you will earn more points with your rewards card as well. So I think you earn like double points if you have their Ulta like store credit card or something like that. But you know, that could be very dangerous to have a credit card with Ulta, wouldn't it be? So now I'm done rambling about a haircut, and I will be back tomorrow with Ulta 21 Days of Beauty Day 6.